Welcome, my name is a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone storage to an SD card or vice versa. And to get started, you'll want to open up the File Manager application, which is this yellow folder looking icon. From here you'll have the two storages, so you have the phone and the SD card. See, we just tap on them. Looks like we don't, so let's go to File Manager, and from here we can actually access them. So I go to the internal storage, and while I'm here I'm going to mention a couple folders that might be of importance. So one is the DCIM folder, which will contain pictures and videos captured with the device. Then we have the Downloads folder, which will contain anything that I have downloaded. And if we go down, we will also have Pictures folder, which will most likely contain screenshots in here. So anyway, once you find your files, which for me, I guess I'm just gonna move the song. So you want to select it, which you, as you've seen, you do by holding it. It will then be checked in blue like this, and you have the two options. You can either copy it, which is this paper looking icon, and then cut it, which is this scissor icon. So I'm gonna go with the cut option and then back out. And now I want to navigate to the location that I want to move these files to. So let's press on the home icon, and because I was already on the internal storage, I'm gonna go to the SD card just to move it to a different location. And from here you can navigate either into a folder that you want to drop the file into, or simply move it to the directly to the SD card, just freely here. And to basically paste it, all you need to do is press this clipboard icon. Give it a second, and there we go. It's now right at the bottom. And that is how you remove any kind of file from one location to another. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.